Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to generate amazing, beautiful and personalized AI Christmas photos of yourself with the power of AI. You will see yourself on several Christmas outfits which usually comes in the colors of red, white, green and gold. The background of the AI Christmas photo is going to have beautiful Christmas ambience decorated with Christmas cards, Christmas lights, Christmas gifts, Christmas trees and so on. These Christmas AI pictures you get of yourself will surely wow you. You're going to be amazed at the result of these AI Christmas photos. So guys, this is Christmas season. So celebrate Christmas by generating for yourself amazing Christmas photos which you can share with your loved ones in this Christmas season. And for you to do that, it starts with learning how to generate amazing Christmas AI photos of yourself. So guys, if you want to learn how to do this, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step that you have to take now is to get the AI app that you're going to use to generate and create your amazing AI Christmas photos. I'm going to be telling you guys the name of the app right now, but make sure you watch to the end of this video, because most persons, once they hear the name of the app, they will just leave the video to go and download the app without learning how to use the app. Learning how to use this app to generate amazing AI Christmas photos for yourself is more important. So guys, make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. So guys, now the name of this app is called Remini AI Photo Enhancer. What you have to do now is to go over to your Play Store, or you go over to your App Store in case you're using an iPhone. Then you search for Remini AI Photo Enhancer. Let me go over to my Play Store now to show you guys what the app looks like. Let me tap on my Play Store. So guys, now you can see I'm on my Play Store. It has opened. What you have to do now is to tap on the search icon there. You can see there at the top. You tap on it. Then you search for Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So guys, now you can see the app there. That's the second option. That's the red and white logo. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the app Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to download and install this app. Once you've done that, then you're good to go. So guys, let me tap on open to open the app right away. But guys, before I go ahead now to open this app, let me go ahead now to read about this app. Let me scroll downwards. So guys, now you can see about this app: create AI photos, improve and restore quality of blurry, old or damaged pics. So guys can see, apart from actually using this app to generate amazing AI photos, you can use this app to improve and restore the quality of old and damaged pictures. So guys, now you can see here it has a star rating of 4.2 over 5. That means people are actually saying good things about it, and as you can see there, it has a review of 3 million reviews. So guys, if you look on the right hand side, you can see it has a download of 100 million, of over 100 million. That means over 100 million persons are actually using this app right now. So guys, now you can see that's it with this app. So guys, let me go ahead now to open this app right away. Let me tap on open. So guys, once you open the app for the first time, if you're using this app for the first time, you're going to be asked to set your AI profile. You can see what is written there. Let's set up your AI profile. You can see the step 1, pick your gender. We only need this information to better select model images to generate your photos. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the gender that you want to generate for. In case you want to generate for a girl or a lady, you choose the female gender. In case you want to generate for a boy or a man, you choose the male gender. So guys, let me choose the female. I want to generate amazing Christmas AI photos for a female person. So let me tap for female. So guys, once you're done choosing the gender, you tap on continue below. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see they're asking us to pick a model image. You can see what is written there. Pick a model image. Our AI will generate images of yourself with the overall style and composition of the model image you pick. So guys, let's go ahead now to pick a model image. And for you to pick a model image, you must pick a Christmas model image. And for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written Christmas. You can see it there. That's the third option. You can see the slider over here. There are so many model images here, you can see. So what you have to choose now is Christmas. You can see Christmas there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see under the Christmas section, there are so many model images that you can use. You can see it. There are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are actually 10 of them. So guys, let me go ahead now to choose one of these Christmas model image. Let me choose this first one right here. You can see it there on the left hand side. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see what you have to do next now is to tap on where it is written use this model image. So let me tap on it. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the third step in the process of setting up your AI profile. You can see what is written there. Show us how you look. knowing how you look will allow AI to create amazing photos of you. So guys, what you have to do now to actually show them what you look like is actually to upload 8 photos of yourself, or you can upload 8 photos of the person that you want to generate for. You can see where it is written upload 8 selfies. That's where you need to tap on to actually upload the 8 photos. So guys, let me tap on it right away. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's directing us to our phone gallery. So let me tap on where it is written open gallery. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it so I can select the images that I want. I can select the photos that I want. So guys, now let me go ahead now to select the photos I want. So guys, there's something you must take note of. The minimum number of pictures that you can select is actually 8. You can't select less than 8 pictures. You can select from 8 above, from 8, 9, 10, 11. So guys, let me go ahead now to select my images. You can see I'm selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys can see I've selected 8 already. So the next step I have to take now is to tap on open. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are the image I selected. You can see there down there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see I'm sliding through it. These are the 8 photos I selected. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on continue. You can see down there, so let me tap on it. But before I do that, you can see the AI Christmas photos of myself that I generated. You can see there, you can see there at the top. It's just so beautiful. So guys, now let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see it's uploading our photos. So guys, now you can see the app is working on our photos. You can see what is written there. We are working on your photos. Estimated time 8 minutes. So guys can also see what is written down there. Don't worry, the first time takes longer. The next time will take less than 1 minute. So guys, what that means is that it's going to take less time if you're doing it for the second time or the third time. But if you're doing it for the first time, if you're actually using this app for the first time to actually set up your AI profile, it's going to take 8 minutes. But if you're doing it for the second time, it's going to take less than a minute. So guys, let's just exercise patience. Let's just wait for a few minutes and our AI photos will be generated for us. So guys, now you can see this is where it has taken us to. You can see what is written there. Your first photos are ready. We have created a set of photos with your chosen style. So guys, now for you to actually see these photos, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written. Take a look. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see this AI Christmas photo is so beautiful. You can see how saturated it is. You can see the ambience of the picture. You can see the background with Christmas attires. You can see the Christmas attire. You can see the Christmas gift, Christmas trees. So guys, this is so beautiful. This is so amazing. So guys, now for you to actually save this into your phone gallery, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see the save icon. You can see the download icon there on my right hand side. But in case you don't like the picture, you don't like the AI photo, what you have to do now is to tap on the delete icon. You can see there on the left hand side. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, now I love this, so let me tap on save. Wow guys, this is so beautiful. Wow guys, so guys, I love this as well. Let me save this. This is so beautiful. So guys, let me save this. Wow, 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 I'm so astonished. This is so beautiful. Let me tap on save as well. This is beautiful as well. Let me save it. And this is beautiful as well. So guys can see I wasn't able to delete any of them because these AI Christmas photos are so beautiful. So guys, in case you want to generate more AI photos using that particular model image, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written generate more. You can see it there. But in case you want to change the model image, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written change content. Remember I showed you that we have 8 Christmas model image. Let me go and choose one of them again. Let me tap on change model image. Let me tap on change content. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. Then what I have to do again now is to tap on where it is written Christmas. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here again now you can see the Christmas model image. You can see the actually 10. So guys, now let me choose another one. Let me choose this one right here. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. Then what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written use this model image. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's uploading your model. You can see the time left is 185 seconds. So guys, you can see now the time has reduced. Remember the first time it took us 8 minutes to actually generate our AI photos, but the second time we're doing it now it's less than a minute. So guys, let's just wait for it to get generated, then we can go ahead. Oh my goodness, wow, this is so beautiful. I'm so short of words. You can see how beautiful this is looking. So guys, let me go ahead now to save it. Let me save it. Let me tap on save. Wow guys, this is so beautiful. Let me save this as well. I don't like this. Let me delete. Let me tap on the delete icon. Wow, I love this. Let me save it. I love this as well. Let me save this. and I love this. I love the winter and the snowy environment. Let me save this. So guys, let me go ahead now to choose another model image. Let me tap on change content. Let me make it fast. I don't want this video to be too long, so let me tap on Christmas. Then let me choose another model image right away. Which am I going to choose now? Let me choose this one right here. Then let me tap on use this model image. So guys, let's just wait for a few seconds again, then our AI Christmas photos will be ready. Wow guys, this is so beautiful. You can see the balloon colors. They are all Christmas equivalent. So guys, let me tap on save right away. I so much love this one. Let me tap on save. Wow, this is mind-blowing. Let me tap on save as well. Wow, this is so artful. This is so beautiful. Let me tap on save. Wow, this is so streamlined. This is so I'm just short of words. Let me just keep saving. I don't like this. Let me delete this one. I like this. Let me save this. So guys, now I'll be able to show you guys two things: how you can be able to generate AI Christmas photos and how you can be able to change your model image. So guys, let me show you guys how you can be able to generate for other persons, such as your loved ones, your friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. So guys, for you to do that, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written settings. So guys, you can see that settings icon there at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. If you want to generate for other persons, what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written retrain AI model. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here now what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written yes, delete model. Once you tap on delete model, the old model picture of yourself will be deleted. Then you'll be asked to upload 8 photos of the person that you want to generate AI Christmas photos for. So guys, let me tap on it so you see what it's going to tell you. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Set up your AI profile, which is what we saw at the beginning. So you have to set up the AI profile of the new person that you want to generate AI profile for. So guys, now let me cancel that. So guys, there's also one important thing I need to let you know. This app, for you to actually use this app for free, I've actually made a video on how you can use this app for free. Once you open this app for the first time, you're going to be asked to subscribe to this app, but I've actually made a video on how you can use this app for free, on how you can enable free trial on this app. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving a link down there on how to actually use this app for free. You can actually use this app for free. Everyone can actually use this app for free. What you have to do is to watch the video so you can learn how to use it for free. So guys, go ahead now to generate beautiful AI Christmas photos for yourself and also for your loved ones and saturate the environment with Christmas. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.